fiction. Two very close, but they never actually touch.
The Worm.
Bradley Cooper, Zoe Saldana,
No.
and Dennis Quaid star in The Words. Available now the same time it comes out on DVD.
I said a word.
In the drama, Trouble
Word
with
is the bird.
Word is the bird.
Word is the bird.
Yeah, bird. Bird is the word. Hey, Ethan, who let the dogs out?
Bird is the worm.
Yeah. Or slap me.
Yeah.
You're mashing the button.
You gotta push it.
You gotta push it.
Push it.
Yeah. You talk to me.
Push it real.
Push it real good. Yay, he's clapping. Dance, Ethan. Get it.
Got shoulders.
Don't brush your shoulders off.
You gotta put a little shoulder pump in it. You gotta be like.
He just cast his verdict. He was the judge. He just cast his verdict. He smacked the crap out of me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's Corvette.
Dressed in 9 days. How many surprises? Gus is struggling.
Say, I'm gonna add one of those when I'm.
Ooh.
He's like, you gonna give it to me or not?
Ba 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 ba.
Computer can't tell if the kid's got
Can you say bye bye? No, leave my wires alone.
Trouble with the Curve. It's available now
Ha,
the same
I
time
unplugged the
it's out on
phone.
DVD and
Nah.
before Netflix
No, you're not
Xbox.
sticking that in your mouth. No, sir. No, sir. Say bye bye to camera. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ow, that's my hair. Ow, that's my hair. Ow.